Hey guys, welcome to podcast. So today we are going to learn about how to start using Git Bash. So in the previous video, we already learned how to install Git Bash. So if you have already installed it, we can proceed to the previous video. Otherwise, just watch the previous video, install your Git Bash, and then come to this video and we will start. Now, for those of you who have installed Git Bash and for those of you who do not want to install Git Bash and still learn, let's move forward. So, firstly, just go to the Windows Start menu and just type bash, just short for git bash, and then there's no need to run it and run as administrator. Just click on it, git bash. Now you see this screen. So what does this show? Desktop 344 ADGC MING 64 like whatever. So what it shows is it shows the directory where your git bash is currently installed. So that's your directory. That's your root directory. Now from here you can go to your C drive by CDC or just go backwards C dot dot. Now what is all this? So what is all this commands doing? We will be going through it one by one. Now for now I want to tell you there is a command known as CD. So what is CD? CD means change directory, which means change your folder. For example, currently you are in C folder, but you want to go into D folder. You tell a git bash like go to this directory. CD means change your directory to directory D. Now for all this to work, you first have to go to your root directory. How do you go to your root directory? You go to your root directory by writing cd and tilde sign. Now tilde sign you can find in the top left of your keyboard, and just press shift and then click on that top left option, and that tilde sign will appear. This is tilde tilde. So that's what it does. Now you are currently in the root directory. You can also clear it. I will clear it. Okay. Now when you are in the root directory, let's go to your C drive. So how do you go to C drive? You go to CD, change directory, and write C, which means C drive. Now how does it know it is a drive and not a folder? It You have to write this colon sign, which means now it will be changing it to C directory. C colon. Now press enter. Now you see there is an option appears. It shows like it's in the root directory, and after directory it's in the C directory, which means you are currently in your C directory. Now what kind of folders are there in now if you want to know what kind of folders and files are there in the C directory, you do ls. Just write ls and it shows all your directories. It shows you have an Intel directory and you have a users Windows directory, which all of us have. We have a program files directory, program file, perflow, recycle bin, Intel, MST cache, Laragon, and all sorts of things. So now you know what sort of folders are there. Now just imagine you want to go to your users folder now. Now what? How do you do that? You again write change directory. It will change directory now according to where you are currently. You are currently in the C directory. Now you want to go to the users directory. So you write users. Now you are in the users directory. Now it also shows you that you are right now in the C directory, and under C directory you are in the users directory. Now, if you want to know what kind of folders and files are there in the users directory, what do? You again write ls. So now there is the all users directory, there is the default directory, public, del, and desktop.ini. And now in the similar manner, you can go to like any directory so you want. It will be directory. So yeah, that's what cd and ls do. In the next video, we will be particularly going into ls directory, into like what does ls command do and what are all the other options available with ls and even with cd. So thank you guys for this video, for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you find it useful, then of course like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.